Good morning, everyone. This is Emma. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Emerson's Adventure. So come along with me as I show you my tablescape for Tuesday. And today I have decided to use my coffee table, which is a child table, for my tablescape. So let me tell you about my tablescape. My placemats are from Hobby Lobby. My plates are from Home Goods. The saucer is from the Goodwill. The napkin is from Home Goods. The candle holder here was a Goodwill find. The glasses are from Home Goods. My flowers here are from Joann Fabric. And my pumpkin is from Kroger. The table here is from Levitt. It was a furniture store that was going out of business here. It is actually called a child table. And I waited until they went out of business, and I got it at a great price. This table setting is for two, and it can be used on a date night. And the beads I have strung here are from Ross's. I want to thank the design team for coming along with me today on this Tablescape Tuesday. And if you're not a part of the design team, I ask that you hit that like, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to ring that bell. This is Emma, and I will be seeing you in my next video.